The consequences of years of reckless government spending is set to be multiplied as rapidly rising interest rates cause an explosion to the federal government's debt repayment obligations. New research by the Institute of Public Affairs has identified that annual interest repayments on federal government debt could reach $89 billion by the year 2030. This is more than quadruple the current interest payments of $20 billion per year. Such a scenario means that each year Australia's debt interest repayments will be double the current defence budget, double the current education budget, 3 times the current NDIS budget, and the equivalent to the cost of purchasing a fleet of 6 nuclear submarines. $89 billion in annual repayments would mean that debt servicing will become the 3rd highest expenditure item in the federal budget, behind only welfare and social services and health. The Treasurer Jim Chalmers has acknowledged in his recent economic update that interest repayments are the fastest growing area of federal government spending. Our massive debt burden is an indictment on all sides of politics who have run up debt through reckless spending, while at the same time asserting that inflation and interest rate hikes were a thing of the past. The government's debt obligations can only be repaid by increasing taxes, reducing spending, or faster inflation, all 3 of which will be disproportionately felt by the middle and working classes. It's time both sides of politics demonstrate economic leadership by showing restraint and self-control when it comes to committing to spending taxpayers' money. To find out more about the IPA's research, visit www.ipa.org.au.